My name is Colonel Aldous Valor, and today I'm going to do something completely pointless and ridiculous. Over here, hold on, let's do it this way. I have a microwave, and ordinarily I would just take it over to the Smashatorium and smash it, although I have other plans for it today. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty, we've got this number pad that I stole from a TV that I smashed. And let's see here, a couple of batteries. A few screws, we'll throw those in there. A couple of screws. A CD, put that in there. A container full of, well, it's not completely full, but a container of bottle caps. Well, the container's made of metal too, so we'll just go ahead and throw that in there. And we also have a disk drive, so we'll put all that in there. No, what the hell? Alright. 25 minutes on the clock. Almost instantly. There's a fire. There's a fire. That is really cool looking. What's that? We do have smoke coming out of the top of it. I think I might want to put a stop to this before I burn the whole place down.
Yeah, it might be. Stop, damn it.
Alright, alright.
Don't breathe that in.
Yep, don't breathe that. That's, I'll bet all that shit in there is really hot, too. Oh, God. I think that was the number pad that was burning there. Alright. You know what? We'll also go to plan B here. Wow, it really stinks down here. Holy shit. Yeah.
Might want to do that outside.
Maybe. Well, we'll continue this little adventure here in part 2 out of the Smashatorium. Here we go, it's part 2. I've got a small explosive device here. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I can't remember. But and I don't know how well you can see all that in there, but there's a bunch of black shit and it's really hot in there. So we'll just set this right here. And we'll light it. Yeah, I told you it wasn't a cherry bomb. So anyway, now we're down to part C, or plan C rather. This is part 3. I'm just gonna smash it. So here. Put your wrist through the strap. And hi. Welcome to the Smashatorium.
What are you doing?
We're making a video for YouTube.
Oh, I always wondered what you fucking guys was doing over here. Making a video for YouTube.
That's right.
Yep, that's right.
Oh, okay.
anyways.
I just want to get you here. You're going to smash it.
Absolutely.
What's it going to do?
Probably nothing. We tried microwave to put the middle in it.
And it didn't do anything?
It didn't do anything.
Oh.
Well, it did,
Chill.
but I didn't want to burn the house down. Get out here to the
You guys got a lot of time on your hands.
I'm disabled. He's off of work today.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy yourself. Stick around for the rest of the show?
Yeah, you go ahead.
All right.
You guys do over here?
You'd be surprised.
You'd be surprised. Now, if I remember correctly, the last time we did a microwave, they took a while to destroy it. So, oh, that was weak. That shouldn't be taken.
That was weak sauce.
Yeah, but now I've got another microwave window for my room.
Nice. Wow. Well, that sucked.
Was this for anything?
Nah.
It smells like shit. Never went out of microwave this way. Not for built-in installation. A lot more resilient than a television.
A lot more.
Yeah, it's like put together with metal and screws instead of plastic and glue. Yeah.
Has Colonel Aldous Valor met his match?
Oh, not just a microwave, for God's sake. We'll deal with this later. Oh, wow. Here's something I just noticed.
Can't. Oh wow. Oh jeez.
That's pretty cool.
That's nice. Put that up in your room.
Yep, I'm gonna have to. All kinds of collectible items here.
Uh huh.
I'm bleeding.
You all right?
Yeah.
Bleeding bad?
No.
Got a first aid kit at the house,
Yeah.
so that's what we got it for.
For stupid shit like this.
Yep. Look at that. Let's see that. Let's see that. This is why you shouldn't try this at home, kids.
This is why this is a very dangerous place and you should never be here. I don't even see the point in it anymore. Now it's just smacking on a piece of metal.
No. Smacking on a piece of metal.
Alright, well there you have it, folks.